Warm cinematic pads breathe like frost on glass. Very textures float, weightless and pale. Distant felt piano notes emerge, dissolve, retreat.
Deep drones hum like the earth's slow heartbeat. Shimmering tones cascade like drifting snowflakes. Reverberations stretch into endless white silence.
Hands swell softly, the glacier inching forward. Kutches weave like icy branches in soft moonlight. The 7-speed stretches vast as a winter horizon.
Notes decay into the ether, one by one.
The final shimmer lingers, then fades. Silence.